Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever built a website in Webflow and realized you need to hand the reins over, whether you're passing a client project to their own workspace, collaborating with a team, or just moving sites between personal accounts, today's video is exactly for you. In just a few minutes, I'll walk you through the smoothest way to transfer a Webflow site to another account, step by step, and by the end you'll feel confident making this transition yourself, knowing exactly what changes and what to expect along the way. Let's jump right into it. First things first, head over to your Webflow dashboard. This is where you see a list of all the sites you manage. Take a moment to find the specific site you want to transfer. If you have a lot of projects, it can help to double-check the site thumbnail or name so you don't accidentally move the wrong one. Once you've located your site, don't just click into it. Instead, hover your mouse over its card. You'll notice that when you do, a set of options appears in a little menu, kind of like hidden controls revealed only when you focus on that site. What you're looking for is a small icon with three dots, usually positioned somewhere in the corner of the site card. This is where Webflow tucks away a lot of the advanced or less frequently used options, so if you don't see Transfer Site right away, you're in the right spot. Go ahead and click those three dots. Take a second here. If you've never explored this menu, you might be curious about the other things you can do, but for our purposes, look for the Transfer Site option and click it. Now Webflow will prompt you with a couple of choices. You'll see options that let you transfer the site either to another user, meaning you'd enter their email, or to a different workspace within your organization. This is super helpful if you're working within teams or moving sites between business and personal workspaces. It's a bit like handing the keys to your car either directly to someone else or moving it to a shared company garage. Before you actually make the leap, Webflow gives you a quick but important heads up. When you transfer your site, it will immediately become unpublished and all custom domains attached to it will be removed. This is crucial to keep in mind, so if your site's live and you're nervous about any downtime, make sure to coordinate the timing. Additionally, if you've used Adobe fonts for your site's typography, those won't transfer with the project. That means the new owner will need to reconnect any custom fonts through their own Adobe account if they want things to stay consistent. Once the transfer is complete, you'll lose all access to the site. You won't be able to edit it, view it, or roll back changes. Think of this as literally handing over your creation. Once it's gone, it's out of your hands, so double-check everything before moving forward. Maybe pause for a moment to confirm you've backed up anything you need, or notify the person you're transferring to so they're ready on their end. When you're absolutely sure, go ahead and type in the email address of the person or the workspace you want to transfer the site to. Take your time entering this. One typo and the site could go to the wrong account, so don't rush. When you're ready, hit that transfer button. Webflow will ask for a final confirmation, and once you approve, the site is immediately transferred. And that's it. The process is quick, but those little details really matter to ensure everything goes smoothly. If you run into any snags or have questions about what carries over and what doesn't, feel free to drop your questions in the comments and I'll do my best to help out. If you found this tutorial useful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more clear, useful walkthroughs just like this one. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.